this is Katie with Fulfilled Passport Travel. We're going to look at a room and property tour of the McKinley Chalet Resort, which is a quick shuttle ride away from Denali National Park. So you have a nice sitting area in here with a TV, and then you walk through this area, and there's a door you can shut between the living and sleeping area. So you have the bathroom in here, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. You have the sink outside of the bathroom and hair dryer, which is always nice when you have to share with multiple people. And then in the bedroom, there is no air conditioning in this hotel resort in any of these rooms, but you can open the windows and they do have bug screens in there so you can get some fresh air. When we were there, we definitely didn't need the AC because it was fairly cool out. And there are multiple buildings on this property. Here's the main lobby area. And then you have this coffee shop. There's some seating and a gift shop back there. There's a public walkway over here with bathrooms that will get you to the Canyon Steakhouse that you should make reservations for, with a lounge area and a bar. And I peeked into the bar. It wasn't open yet, though. With multiple buildings on this property with a hill, those stairs and that lobby is at the top. This is a flat area where there are some lodging, and then you can see other lodging in the Denali Square here. So we're going to walk into the Denali Square, see some of the entertainment options. You can get fireside s'mores and hang out, listen to live music here. You can visit the local Alaskan artist that takes turns coming here. Check out the trails. Karsten's is the restaurant in Denali Square that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You'll find the breakfast buffet inside. They open early before your Denali bus tour into the park. And it's a pretty good breakfast. They have a big selection, hot items. So it's definitely worth that before you go on your bus tour in the morning. There is a free shuttle bus to Denali National Park that you can get on at set times. Here's a lookout from the stairs. Those brown buildings are where I stayed. And then this is the upgraded building. You can pay extra to stay at Ridgeview. It's the newest building here. There are no elevators though. So there's a ramp up to the first floor. And then you would have to get stairs up from there. But you have a little balcony area. I love this detail with the moose. And we're taking a group here July 2023. So let me know if you want to join us. Or we can plan a trip for yourself.